Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see an example of toString method. Here what we are going to do is we are going to print out date, month, year using toString method. First I'm going to introduce class public class coffee, and inside of this I put month, day and year. So private int month, and day, year is going to be the same format, integer type of variable. So I just copy paste this one two times, paste it right here and paste it one more time, and here it should be day, and this one should be year. And after that I introduce another function called coffee, public coffee integer month, integer day. You can type any name you want. To make it clear, I put M, D and Y, integer day and integer Y. Okay, now here we are going to say month is equal to M, and then day is equal to D, and year is equal to Y. Okay, now we want to print this one out, day, month and year. So to print this one out, we put a system out statement, system dot out dot printf the constructor for this is percentage s, we put percentage s for the string and backslash n for the new line, and then this is coming from this. Okay, now we are going to create the toString method. To create the toString method, I put public string toString and then return string dot format %d slash %d slash %d, and here I'm going to put month, day and year. Month, day and year. Okay, that's it for this one. There's an error showing up here. Let's see what's I forgot to put a semicolon. Okay, now let's go to this one, and here we are going to say class cup and public static void main string and a square bracket, and then args, and inside of this one I'm going to put coff object. You can name anything you want. I put coff object, and that's equal to new coffee, and inside of this we put the month, day and year. So let's say month is 4, day is 5, year is 6. You can put anything, let's say 2006. Okay, 4, 5, 6 and a semicolon. That's it. There's an error showing up here. Let's see what that is. new coffee, create construct coffee double. Okay, let's give just one. Coffee, let's see what's that. Coffee double. Okay, I had to put a coffee double. It says I had to put a coffee double right here. Okay, let's run this one and see. It's still showing the error. Let's get rid of this one. There's a mistake here. Class cup public static void main string args and a semicolon coffee coff object new coffee. Oh, I put point instead of comma. That's the problem. So now it's okay. Okay, let's run this one. Still point show. Okay, 4 comma 5 comma 6. Okay, now it's good. Before I put points instead of comma, that's why it was showing the error. Let's go ahead and run this one, and it says the constructor for this is 4 5 6. 4 is the day, month. Actually it is month, day and year. Okay, let's go ahead and see this again. Here I have created integer type of variable month, day, year, and then I introduced mdy for month, day and year, and we created a printout statement. That is, the constructor for this is percentages is string, and it's coming from this, and then we use the toString method to print this one out, and here we call this one and then equate this one, and our month is 4, day is 5, and the year is 6, and that's how it works. And that's how we use the toString method. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you're trying to access these codes, it's in my blogger. I put the link of my blogger in the description, so you can go ahead and access them. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.